Camera's going. We live.
Oh, it's going. We're live.
Live.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
This the jam right here. You feel it yet? I think not. Let it get a little louder. What's up with that? 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 The future edition. The future edition. The future edition. What's up with that? What's up with that? What's up with that? It's Funka and futuristic. What's up with that? What's up with that? What's up with that? I'm driving and singing. What's up with that? What's up with that? I'm shaking my head and I'm driving like this. What's up with that? That bump was really loud. That's being all in the zone.
Alright, the bump was really loud. How you cannot laugh at that?
I don't know how. What's up with that? This guy's messing me up. Messing me up. It's pop in the lock. He's funky future.
Wow, that's a
what's up with that?
Creativity.
What's up with that? What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up?
What's up?
Nigga, that's supposed to be the ending right there. You're supposed to end it.
I was trying.
What's up?
End it too quick.
You know what? Alright.
What's up? Humphrey.
Oh my God.
Go away. What's up? Drop with the hands.
Put him back on the whip.
I feel stupid now. What's up with that? What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
What's up with that?
Let's join us. What's up with that? What's up with that? What's up with that?
What's up with
Say it with rhythm.
I'm right.
What's up with that? What's up with that? What's up with that? What's up with that?
I supply.
Now clap. Now
Clap,
move to the side. Move to the side. Now freeze.
No.
Get out the road.
Whoa.
Oh, you kicked me in neutral, you jerk.
I did it again?
You did it again, you jerk.
Whoa, pause.
Put me in neutral.
Pause. Whoa. I thought that was life and death right there again. Oh man, look at that. I'm like, hello.
Oh my lord. Oh,
I forgot this one on my phone.
call Terry. Tell him that we're here.
I told this punk ass be outside.
Sorry, now I gotta call him.
Kick the door, dude. Just
Wait a minute, I forgot you used my phone to call
Oh,
him.
sure as hell did use your phone to call him. Don't do that to my camera, bitch.
I do it twice.
Man, do it twice again, nigga. Oh, you motherfucker. A double finger wave. All right, Prince.
This is a seal. Oh my goodness, that car came close.
Sing for the camera.
no.
Sing, Chris.
Sing for the camera.
It's the only lyric I know.
Sing for the goddamn camera. All right.
I love you.
Just look at
Isn't
the
that
camera.
Terry's auntie?
Just look at the camera with the stoic face.
Oh, my call got forwarded.
With his bitch ass.
Oh, Terry.
I'm kicking ass.
Oh, Terry.
You don't. Uh-oh.
And that's not my Barry White voice neither.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
not trying to sing right now.
Look at that sloppy booty.
Don't talk about Terry's auntie like that. That's nasty.
When she got that sloppy booty, like
I
that,
just cut it there. That
That bass. Like that ass.
He forgot how to speak.
No.
No. Yes.
Come on. Are you still recording this? Why is this necessary?
Look. Hey, look.
Change us.
Look. Hey, look.
What?
Shh. A phone call that doesn't go through.
In a world where phone calls don't go through, I get angry. And I go bang on the door. I'm outside and we're almost late.
And stop.